Hi guys, this is Roxanne Rojas of Rox Interiors and I'm excited to present you our Modern Industrial Design and Build project. So let's go. So this is what we call the Batcave. So the client is a bachelor. So this is just his office and then not his sleeping place. So after work he goes here. So as you see, the colors are achromatic, grays, browns, and blacks. The pops of colors are just the toys. So first, this is the bathroom. So we changed the doors. So we changed everything in this room. This is customized by us. We also picked the tiles that's cement finish with black fixtures. Then we added plants para naman maging homey, mas homey pa yung vibe. Then the ceiling is very dramatic. So we don't want like a very bright restroom. Parang drama lang, like one in the hotels. Then the floors, we also changed them into SPC flooring. Again, SPC flooring is one of the best for condos. It's easy to install, it's easy to clean, and it's mahirap siyang magasgasan. Then the wallpapers, also by us, we also supply and install. We picked parang cement finish with glossy, so the light will like refract from parts of the room. So this is, we call it the selfie mirror. Of course, while he was going out, you can see his outfit. Also this one, it looks, yung space parang cramped up. So to open up the area, we put a mirror here also. So this is the bar area. We customized everything. We actually took out the kitchen kasi he told us na he just wants coffee and takeout. So that's the idea. This painting is customized, commissioned art piece na he wanted like a dark female energy. Parang ganun yung vibe. Then, this one, we also made a modular cabinet para sa storage ni Sir. Ayan na. Yan siya for storage. And we also made an extra storage room here. Dito, more on like hugasan lang storage. Not so much with white paint. Dito naman white para makita lahat ng dumi at kung anong kukunin niya. Then, here is the TV. Yung TV kasi more on work lang siya. Tapos, you can pull this out. So, may iba-iba yung angles. This one, the story of this one is si Sir, umakyat siya sa Mount Fuji. Really interesting. So, everything here has a story. Then, we put here a light. It's a very thin light na may acrylic tas sa loob ng LED. Kaya seamless yung paglagay ng lights. Hindi yung makalat. Very directional tas seamless for cabinets. So this is double purpose. If you don't want the TV, we can cover it like this. Tapos yung laminates we picked is cement finish. Very thick laminate. It's not the usual ones. It's more premium than the others. Then this is his clothes. Yan. So, ayan siya. You can like super close or you can open this one. So, here naman, another storage for his pieces, art pieces, for his shoots since he's a director and videographer. Then this one is a sofa bed. This one is for his lounge bed, easy chair, we call it. Tapos here naman, this is the collection. This is cool, Timo. Jarvis, open the helmet. Open the helmet. Cool, no? Close the helmet. Wala lang. Cool lang siya. Tapos, this one, we made a custom-made modular cabinet na very thick para it can hold his toys kung gaano siya kabigat. So, ganito siya kakapal. Tapos, we laminated it. Again, with the cabinet lights. So, that one, acrylic, tas LED. So, we call it, nakapait siya dun sa taas ng shelf para it looks seamless. Then, this is the table. Tas, ito storage. Lots of storage. Ayan o, ang dami na niyang nilagay. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed the tour in this Batcave ni Bruce Wayne Batman. Ganun yung dating niya. See you on the next vlog for more.